Hey guys, apa khabar semua? Harap semua sihat dan sejahtera. Hari ni saya dapat jemputan daripada salah satu restoran Jepun yang famous di Johor Bahru. Nama restoran tu adalah Restoran Awahyu, right? So apa yang hebat dekat restoran ni adalah meat, ya, daging lembu yang mereka gunakan adalah diimport daripada negara Jepun, iaitu Tokushima lah, right? Tokushima, Jepun. Selain daripada tu, mereka juga ada seafood. Kalau you tak makan daging lembu, you boleh makan daging ikan, ayam, right? Dan seafood yang mereka sediakan. Yang best partnya adalah you boleh rasa semua jenis makanan orang Jepun di negeri Johor dan di restoran Awahyu ini. Jom kita tengok apa yang mereka ada. Sekarang saya berada di restoran Awahyu, one of the restoran yang agak istimewa, dan you boleh melihat keunikan orang Japan di negeri Johor. Apa yang istimewa kat sini? Kalau you nak rasa daging lembu daripada negara Japan, I rasa you perlu datang ke Awahyu Johor Bahru. Okey, tempat ni mudah nak cari, so anda boleh datang. Harga pun memang berpatutan. So hari ni saya dapat jemputan daripada restoran Awahyu untuk merasa makanan mereka. I know semua orang mesti tanya soalan, awak ni India kan, you makan lembu ke? No, I'm not eating the meat, but I have few colleagues datang juga, mereka akan rasa. Tetapi selain daripada daging lembu, mereka juga ada set-set lain, ya, set fish ada, ayam ada. So it's not issue for you kalau you nak datang ke Awahyu Restoran Johor Bahru. Okey, jom kita tengok apa yang ada dalam restoran ini. Okay guys, sekarang saya berada di dalam teppanyaki room, di mana anda boleh feel chef kita tengah cooking tau. So you punya orders tu dia boleh prepare in front of you, so you akan rasa lagi menarik lah, right? So you can feel the way they prepare the food and you can taste it nicely. You boleh rasa. Okay, benda-benda ni agak baru juga. You boleh datang ke Awahyu Johor Bahru. Daripada tu anda juga boleh melihat kita punya one of chef dia tengah cutting lembu tau, ya, daging lembu daripada Japan terus. So itu yang best part of it. Kalau you nak rasa daging lembu daripada Japan, you perlu datang ke Awagyu Johor Bahru. Ya, sangat senang saja. Untuk nak datang sini, you boleh letakkan trademark Trove Hotel. Lepas you dah masuk dari Trove Hotel, you bolehlah nampak kita punya restoran Awagyu, right? You boleh rasa daging Japan daripada Tokushima. Pelik juga nama dia, Tokushima. Saya punya makanan dah sampai. So nama set lunch saya adalah teppanyaki set lunch. Okay, so main course saya adalah ayam. As I told you earlier, I memang tak dapat makan lembu, so mereka dah prepare untuk ayam. So apa yang best kat sini, semua ingredient yang mereka guna adalah halal tau. So there is no issue about halal, sebab ramuan yang mereka gunakan adalah halal. So you boleh datang ke mana? Awagyu
Restaurant Johor Bahru.
At Johor Bahru. Okay, so sekarang mereka belakang saya ada Wawa. So sebab apa, untuk makan pun dia kata ada cara dia. Maksudnya kena properly follow dia punya step. So itu yang menarik I a bit lah. Sebab I pun tak pernah datang restoran Japan, biasa pergi pun sushi kan. So this one something different. Jom kita tengok apa yang Wawa beritahu, cara nak properly makan set lunch ni.
So yang ni kita punya lunch set. Okay, untuk proper makan step by step, biasa kita akan makan salad cawan mushi dengan oyster for the first appetizer.
Okay.
And then you can follow with the fish. This one our cod fish we call it. Okay. And then the last one you can eat for the main course one, stew wagyu, rice and miso soup. Together after last, you can get the dessert for the fruits.
Wow.
So this is our set for the teppanyaki for lunch time.
Teppanyaki lunch
Yes.
Thank you so much, Wawa.
Welcome.
Memang sedap. Okay, memang sedap. Taste tu ada. Taste tu memang dia dekat. Oh my god. Tak apa, you ada sup kan, you boleh rasa sup ni lah. Memang best. So rugi kalau you tak datang. Okay guys, saya baru lepas habis makan. Makanan dia memang sedap. Then you can feel rasa makanan tu. I tak tahu macam mana nak explain. I rasa you kena datang juga ke restoran Awagyu Johor Bahru. Okay, bukan itu sahaja. Selain daripada tu, anda juga boleh feel rasa makanan yang betul-betul daripada negara Jepun. You know why? Chef daripada negara Jepun dia datang, dia train local chef yang ada dekat restoran ini. Okay guys, selain daripada itu, mereka juga ada private room. So in case you rasa you nak celebrate or you nak makan secara private dengan family you, that's no issue. You boleh datang dan buat je tempahan dan mereka akan book for you. Right? It's very easy. Jom, tadi saya dah makan makanan Jepun. Sekarang bersama saya chef yang menyediakan makanan tersebut. Hi chef.
Hello, hi guys.
Hi. What's your name?
I'm Chef Eric.
Chef Eric.
Yes.
Okay, Chef Eric, may I know what is so special about this restaurant Awagyu?
Okay, Awagyu, a restaurant doing the Wagyu, A5 Japan Wagyu direct from Japan, Tokushima. So it's a top grade Wagyu. So we got other different part of the beef to Wagyu, you can try in our Wagyu because we are import the whole cow. So one times probably 2, 3, 4 cow. One times we come in.
So it means it's directly imported from Tokushima, Japan.
Yes.
Directly to Johor Bahru.
Exactly.
Wow, that
Yeah.
sounds good.
No, other than that, we not only Wagyu, we also got seafood from Japan also. So which is like tail fish, like a lot of Japan seafood lah. So scallop, oyster, this kind of thing. So those who don't take beef, don't worry. I prepare seafood and chicken for you also.
Yeah, very nice of him. Because even though this restaurant is based on a culture of Japan, you
Exactly.
still consider of a Malaysian unity.
Exactly.
That sounds great. Okay, another thing I want to ask, is this restaurant is halal?
Exactly. This Wagyu is a halal slaughter. We got the certificate, the halal cert, and the date above the cow. So you can see the certificate inside. What information. So of course we got a slaughter halal slaughter certificate also. So don't worry. We have a lot of these Malay customer here. We are Menteri Besar was here.
Oh, the current Menteri Besar?
Yes, the current 1231 also here.
Wow, the former and current. And I saw in your Facebook there's a few artists, Malay artists who come here, right?
Yes, exactly.
That's good.
So,
Even your staff also, I saw many of them are Malays. So I think there is no issue on the halal part lah.
Yes,
Right.
this is the Wagyu is a very good this opportunity in JB. So everyone in JB can try. Very top grade Wagyu and very comfortable environment.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, another important question. Why you open at Johor Bahru? You can open at KL, you can open at Genting Highland or many places. Why you choose Johor Bahru?
Okay, one thing I feel JB don't have the like this kind of the yakiniku shop. We don't. We other than that we got teppanyaki also lah. So Wagyu in JB, I feel there is a very potential because we are near by the Singapore.
Neighbor country Singapore.
Yes, the nearer country, a lot of Singaporean they are coming because the price is very cheap. Okay.
Yeah. Price.
Second, we want to bring out the JB. Okay, has a very good quality. This restaurant like Wagyu. So Johorian, you don't go KL. No need to go to Singapore. In JB, you can try. You can get it very good quality.
For this Wagyu meat lah, right?
Yes.
See, so mean even Johor is prepared for you many things, and there's many investors like him who come to Johor and open wonderful restaurants like this kind of restaurant.
We want to bring it the
Many
JB,
varieties.
Yeah, varieties.
Yeah. So anyway, thank you so much for your wonderful time. You hopefully all the people who watch this video, please come to Awayu Johor Bahru and taste the food that you are prepared.
Yes, thank you so much.
Okay, bye.